You have these like little bulbs that is either on off. And we said, okay, well, I mean, this is great. On means one, off, even though it's actually not off. Technically speaking, it's low voltage. It's low and high voltage, but practically we say on and off, right? So if we have array of little light bulbs, I know it looks like a little people, but it's a light bulb. Trust me. You can have like, for example, this one is what 1000, right? So this is how the numbers are represented in the computer. So then like people were like, okay, well, I want to add two numbers. How do I do that? But then like there's no plus operator. Only thing you have is what's called a gate, right? This is a this is a breakthrough of transistors. The gates, what they do is that given a two value, so for example, let's say we have a bulbs that's going through a gate, and we can have type of gate that allows you to do different logical operations, right? So let's say this is A, this is B, and we can have it so that, hey, this is A and B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And then we say current goes through, they come together to the gate, and then one comes out, like one number comes out, either 0 or 1. So that's the gate. And you can see there are different types of gate, right? So we have AND gate. So that means if A and B goes through, the resulting current is either 0 or 1. And this is a logic table to describe what each gate does. So in this case, for AND gate specifically, this is just a rule. For AND gate, if both of the inputs A and B is false, right? 0 is a false. If only one of them is 1, it's still 0. This is still 0. It only is 1 if both are true. And then we have something else called OR gate. The way OR gate works is that if any of the inputs are true or 1, then it's 1. So, right? Or makes sense, right? So if both are 0, it comes out as 0. If one of them is 1, 1. If one of them is 1, 1. If both are 1, at least one of them is 1. So it's 1. And then there's a NOT, right? And NOT is not a gate, right? So NOT is operator to a single input. So you can just kind of like invert those things. So those are the three type of gate transistors that you have at the fundamental level.